What's going on, guys? It's Greeny here. Welcome back to another video. In today's video, guys, we're talking about the meme coins that I'm currently buying for the next 6 to 12 months that I think have the highest return of investment. If you like my content, please subscribe down below. YouTube tells me that only 17% of you are subscribed. So guys, help out the channel, click that subscribe button and like the video. Don't forget to check out my trading group. There is currently a live sale where we trade futures and meme coins every single day and have a whole dedicated team and channel to education so that you can become a better trader. Here are the meme coins I'm buying right now. Meme coins are making millionaires every single day. So today I thought, why not shoot a video that shows you the meme coins that I'm currently interested in and the ones that I'm currently buying, in which I think probably have the highest return of investment over the next 6 to 12 months. Now, ultimately, there is a lot of meme coins to focus on, and there are a lot of meme coins on several different blockchains as well. And what I'm going to talk to you about today is the meme coins that I think are going to outperform on each of the top blockchains. So we're talking Solana, we're talking Ethereum, we're talking Bitcoin as well, and we're also going to talk about TON, which is an underrated, often less hyped meme coin blockchain, which I think might have potential in the coming 6 to 12 months. So ultimately, guys, this list here is a great way to track the strength of meme coins over time. And obviously, Dogecoin remains the #1 meme coin, which I don't think it does get flipped. And to be honest, I think the only one that does potentially flip it is PEPE. Now, obviously, if you do think that Doge is one to hold longer term, I think it definitely can push towards that dollar in the next 6 to 12 months. So it is one to definitely have on your watch list, but it's not one that I have in my list today of buying. So ultimately, I'm going to run through all the different meme coins that I think I will get the most return of over the next year. So you can come to this page, guys. This is just on CoinMarketCap, and you can have a look at the strength. So as you can see over on the side, it's currently a $45 billion industry. So this is just meme coins alone. They have a lot of volume, and if you actually look, it's probably the most trending volume category across all categories in crypto. It's replaced low cap altcoins from last cycle. It's replaced NFTs, guys. So you want to be where the liquidity is, where the daily returns are, and where the returns are over the next year. So if you rank it by 24 hours, you can often see what some of the top meme coins are. So for example, you've got Carlo, Michi, PopCat. SPX is an old one as well, which is currently performing really well. Over the 7 days, guys, again, you can see the strength of meme coins, okay? MOG being one of my top holdings is up there as well. But here are the actual meme coins that I'm currently buying. So #1 remains MOG, guys, okay? I probably wouldn't buy it here because ultimately it is at an all-time high at 770 million. But what I would like to do is see a retest of this range here and then a move back up here. Now, ultimately, this is about 1.2 billion, which, using my technical analysis, is a 2.68 fib retracement or extension in this case. Obviously, we're moving up, so that's why I'm targeting that level first. Ultimately, I think we probably target this level here first, which from current price action is a juicy 22% move. But ultimately, I would love to see an opportunity again to DCA into the bags for a 33% move, which would push it to $1 billion. Now, I did give this to everyone at about $180 million on this channel and on my Twitter, so be sure to follow me there at Greeny Trades, okay? And essentially, I gave you that, which is currently at about a 4.3x, but I do see this pushing up and towards the multiple billions, guys, over the coming 6 to 12 months. It remains my top pick right now. The next pick on Solana, guys, would have to be BONK. Right now, as you can see, it's showing so much bullish continuation here. We didn't even drop that far in fib level, so if I do draw that for you, ultimately I'm picking it on fundamental analysis, and I'm also picking it based on the technical analysis. So as you can see here, it didn't even drop below the 0.5 in the recent FUD, even though Bitcoin and stuff did drop quite aggressively. So BONK remains my top second pick right now, guys. I currently am in a long from about the middle of the range here, and ultimately I'd love to see it again close here, show strength and continue up towards a new all-time high in the coming weeks or the coming month. BONK dominates the memes, dominates the community. Social media has a large presence there as well, so definitely do your due diligence and check out BONK here at 250 million. Now the next one, a little bit more of a degen punt, guys, is Epic. Now ultimately it's a little bit different being a duck-based meme coin, but it is at a really good risk to reward here. Okay, so if I do look at this, I could easily just set up a long here. Obviously I can't long it, but I would set up a buy here and I have a quick stop loss down below. And I think something like this could definitely perform longer term, being one of the most dominant memes sort of over the last sort of couple of months, with a lot of strength coming from the community, with the meme strength as well. Its utility is very strong, and obviously it has Mando, one of the most recognizable NFT people in the crypto space, are running it behind the scenes as well. So the risk to reward on a trade like this is very high, so that's why I'm interested in Epic. Now, for a bit of exposure on Bitcoin. Now, a lot of runes have really underperformed compared to Bitcoin itself and to other meme coins that we see on Solana, on Base, on Ton, and other platforms like that. But ultimately, guys, the one meme coin, the one rune I think that you would like to hold longer term, and that I am holding longer term, is probably Dog Go to the Moon. It remains probably the top pick. Okay, as you can see, it's currently at 475 million. It did obviously pump towards $1 billion recently, and I do think it definitely has potential to be the top meme coin on Bitcoin. Obviously, if you're looking to sign up and trade this, go to Magic Eden, go to Runes up the top, and you'll be able to buy it there. Similar, I think Runes do have a place, but I would much rather just hold the top rune over the long period of time. Next pick would have to be BONK, guys. Its utility is great. BonkBot is a fantastic resource that I've used for nearly a year now, which is crazy. But the chart here again is showing a lot of strength, okay? And I do think this continues to move up over time. Again, you want utility. They have revenue coming in. They have teams pushing out marketing. They're essentially sponsoring events in real life. So again, you want something like that, because at the end of the day, you want strength both fundamentally but also in the chart. So BONK remains a hold for me. Also, we have Brett. So Brett on Base remains the top play in my opinion. We obviously saw it pump all the way from 350 million all the way up to nearly 2 billion, guys. It was a crazy run, and we're currently consolidating sideways here. I'm not currently buying Brett just yet. I would love to see it consolidate down here in this current bull flag. This is a bull flag, so it's great price action, okay? But I'd love to see it come down to its golden pocket ratio and buy the dip down here, guys. That's what I'm looking at for Brett. And I think you want to have exposure to the top token on Base, being that dominant layer 2 at the moment. The next one, guys, would have to be PEPE. I think, like I said before at the start of the video, I think PEPE outperforms Doge and could potentially flip it in a really special circumstance. It's still about a 6x to flip it. But I do think the potential of PEPE is crazy. Again, it's similar to what we just saw with Brett. It's got this beautiful consolidation here, okay, a bull flag. We're retesting previous sort of breakout and support levels here. As you can see, support resistance levels multiple times. So I do think this could push up towards my green lines here and ultimately put in an all-time high in the coming months. So that, just for a perspective, that's about a 2x move from current price action to an all-time high, guys. I think PEPE is a no-brainer to hold longer term. All right, the next pick, guys, would actually have to be Trump. Now, the reason for this is obviously we've seen in the news lately, obviously, that everything that just happened yesterday, but I think the strength in memes is underrated when it comes to politics. And we've seen Biden meme coins really underperform, and we've seen a lot of meme coins on the Trump side perform really well. So what I'm looking at here is actually maybe a swing trade, okay, from about this region back up towards the top of this region. And I just don't think you want to fade something like this, okay? You've got fundamental analysis pushing it, okay, with him likely becoming the next president. It is currently in the polls showing that he is more than likely going to be the next president. So something like this definitely probably continues to outperform compared to other tokens out there. One that I've currently got on my watch list, and one that I would like to maybe swing trade in the coming weeks. The next one is PopCat, guys. Again, I'm not buying this currently. We did buy it on this fib retracement at 0.5, but it is the second highest cat meme in the space behind Mog, currently sitting at a $715 million market cap. Again, I would love to maybe DCA into this, okay, maybe if it retests that breakout there, or even if it does break back down, okay, and Bitcoin maybe goes a little bit lower, I'd love to accumulate again down in this region between sort of 570 million and around 360 million. I think this one is a great longer term hold. It's a dominant meme coin on the space, on Twitter and in community chat. So I think PopCat is a no-brainer to hold on Solana in the long term. The next one is on Ton, guys. So recently I did a video on how to trade meme coins on Ton, so definitely check that out. But not coin is likely the most highest performing one on Ton. We actually caught this move here from the 0.786 up to the 0.5 retracement. So that was a great move, but we're currently showing more bearishness in the short term. So I'd love to see it sort of consolidate here. And I think it's a great DCA for a longer term breakout, sort of towards, as you can see, we're currently respecting the breakout. So that's bullish. But what I'd love to see is a break above the fib, break above that support and go like that. And I do think that it could push towards its all-time high, if not higher, over the coming months. And as you can see, that's a nice 72% swing trade. Lastly, guys, if you do have time, okay, and you would like to get into the trenches, I couldn't highly recommend checking out BullX. Essentially, you can trade, you can snipe meme coins. I've got a lot of educational videos on my channel, so check them out. And obviously, if you are looking to sign up for BullX, you get 10% discount off your fees. You also get a 5% airdrop multiplier, which there is an airdrop coming in the coming weeks on BullX. So ultimately, it is the best platform to be trading and sniping meme coins. So definitely check it out. I'm going to release a video very soon on how to use this platform directly to snipe meme coins, but I've got a tutorial on how to sign up already on my channel. So definitely check that out. But guys, if you are time rich, spend time in the trenches and really learn to trade these tokens really aggressively, because you can make some crazy profits every single day. Comment below, what are your meme coin picks for the next 6 to 12 months? I'd love to hear them. As always, please let me know any feedback or any questions you have in the comments below, and I'll be more than happy to help you out. So there you have it, guys. Those are the meme coins that I think have the highest potential, the highest ROI, so return of investment over the next 6 to 12 months. If you like my content, please subscribe down below. Smash the red button, guys. YouTube tells me that only 17% of you are subscribed. So let's get that to 30% so that you and me can get this education out to more people at the end of the day. Don't forget to check out my trading group, guys. There is a sale, July_sale. Okay, enter that code for the lifetime or the month subscription so that you can become a better trader and get my daily trading calls in the group. As always, guys, take care, and I'll see you in the next one.